Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to sign up for HBO Max account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser and in the URL box type in www.hbomax.com and press enter. Once you end up in the official web page, click on the sign up now button at the top right and follow the prompt. To sign up for a new account, you'll need to select a plan. Select between yearly or monthly plan and click on the continue button. On the next page, you'll need to create an account. Type in your first name in the first text box and then your last name on the next. Enter a valid email address and then confirm your email address again. Now, create a password you'd like to set for the account. If you want to use your email address to receive marketing promotions and offers from HBO Max, check this little box beneath. If you don't want to do that, leave it unchecked and finally click on Create Account. Now, choose a payment method you'd like to use in order to subscribe for HBO Max. You can choose between credit or debit card or PayPal account. Select one of the options. If you've chosen credit or debit card, type in the name on the card number, its expiry date, and the security code and click on Start Subscription in order to go ahead and start up with HBO Max. Once you've created an account, you can enjoy your favorite TV shows, blockbuster movies, and new Max originals and so much more. That is how you can easily sign up for HBO Max. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.